Score. A z-score is an example of a standardized score. A z-score measures how many standard deviations a data point is from the mean in a distribution. In statistics, the standard score is the number of standard deviations by which the value of a raw score, i.e., an observed value or data point, is above or below the mean value of what is being observed or measured. Raw scores above the mean have positive standard scores, while those below the mean have negative standard scores. Which of the following situations can be considered as well distributed? A. 100 students take the same exam. 90 of them got a score close to 100. Only 3 failed the test, while 7 scored between 50 to 90. B. People were asked to rate their job satisfaction from 1 to 10. Most of them said they are averagely happy. Only a few said they are very happy. Same goes for very unhappy. C. The latest survey of the government showed that 75% are considered poor, 15% are considered middle class, and 10% are considered rich. It can be seen that the scores are normally distributed. Most of the scores are average, and the rest are low and high. The mean here is 0. This divides the scores. There are scores at the right and scores at the left. There are scores 1 standard deviations to the left and right from the mean. There are also scores 2 standard deviations to the left and right from the mean, and 3 standard deviations to the left and right from the mean. In the illustration, we can say that 68.26% of the observations are 1 standard deviations to the left and right from the mean, 27.18% of the observations are 2 standard deviations to the left and right from the mean, 4.28% of the observations are 3 standard deviations to the left and right from the mean. If the graph of the test scores is negatively skewed, it means that most of the scores are high, only a few got low scores. The median is to the right of the mean, and the mode is to the right of the median. In a normal graph, meaning no skew, the mean, median and mode are the same, sometimes almost the same. While the graph which is positively skewed has a mean to the right of the median, and the median is to the right of the mode. This means that most of the scores are low, only a few got high scores. Suppose you have this kind of a problem. Your 2 classmates, Miguel and Juan, scored 35 and 25, respectively. Can you conclude immediately that they are better compared to the entire class? Suppose the class mean is 28 and the standard deviation is 3. Then we can determine the z-score of Miguel and Juan. Since Miguel scored 35 and Juan scored 25, then z-score of Miguel is 35 minus 28, the class mean, divided by standard deviation of 3, which gives 2.33. While the z-score of Juan is 25 minus 28 divided by 3, which gives negative 1.0. Therefore, it is only Miguel who scored better than Juan if they are compared to the entire class. Thank you for watching. Please share this to the learners.